When cloud computing first hit the mainstream, cost control was among its biggest promises. The move from capital expenditure to operating or consumption costs was what first attracted many companies. Since then, however, experience has identified many hidden costs that the second generation of cloud adopters would do well to consider. What are these costs and how can companies mitigate them? This is one of several videos that I will share with you the hidden costs that you must be aware of before migrating to cloud. And in certain scenarios we'll compare between some of the hyperscale cloud providers, Huawei Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to stay informed of the latest news and content. Before you select which cloud providers you will commit to their services, you must first understand what you're getting into upfront, so you can decide when using a public cloud provider is cost-effective and appropriate, or when it might be better to go a different route, such as a hybrid or multi-cloud approach. It's important to note that when we talk about network costs in cloud environments, we must consider the following: ingress costs, transactional costs, and egress costs. Ingress costs. Often public cloud providers' ingress costs, the initial price you pay to sign up, are either fairly low or non-existent. In some cases, the cloud provider will even help you transport your data at no cost. Transactional costs. Most public cloud providers will charge a nominal fee every time you attempt to access your data. Egress costs. Moving your data from one provider to another can be a huge pain. This act of egress can result in significant costs, creating a form of cloud provider lock-in that can be difficult to break. Few cloud providers such as Huawei Cloud will help you with the migration process, ensuring no vendor lock-in. So for a virtual machine in a cloud environment, there are up to 9 metered costs for a single internet-facing server. The complexity increases if your organization is hosting complex, multi-server environment. If other elements are required to run the application, such as security, resilience, management, patching, and backup, these will appear as additional charges. In many services, there is a cost per GB each time servers in different domains talk to each other, and a second cost to send data over the internet. The same issue applies with resilience and service recovery, where you'll be charged for the data traffic between domains to help a second DR or failover environment in a different region or availability zone. To understand network costs accurately, you need to know the frequency of snapshots or replication traffic, how big those snapshots are, and the rate of change of data. So now, how the top 3 cloud providers compare in the Africa region when it comes to network costs. There are different scenarios to consider. When we look at the inter-cloud data transfer across different regions, Huawei Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and AWS, they all charge the customers for outbound traffic, data leaving the data center breaking out into the internet. Cross availability zones. So within the same region, there are multiple or a number of availability zones. Huawei Cloud does not charge for traffic across availability zones. Also, if you have different virtual private clouds within the AZ or virtual private networks, and there is peering between them, this is free of charge with Huawei Cloud. When we look at out-of-cloud data transfer, NATing charges are only based on connections with Huawei Cloud. Object storage transfer is only for outbound traffic. Direct connect data transfer and elastic load balancing requests are free of charge. To understand more about Huawei Cloud services and how it compares to other hyperscale cloud providers, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button. If you are already using cloud services and exploring alternative options, leave your comment below for open discussion, or contact me for free consulting engagement. My technical team and commercial experts will facilitate your move to the cloud. If you are based in the Middle East and Africa region, Huawei Cloud offers, through its local world-class data centers located in South Africa, unique promotions to facilitate your journey to the cloud.